Hey everybody, Scott with my review here of the Iwata Eclipse HP CS dual action airbrush gun, airbrush. So a couple of cool features like that I like about this is it is dual action, so you can control the airflow and paint flow. So if you push down is the airflow, and then as you pull back on the trigger is the paint flow. Your paint goes in this cup right here, and another cool feature is got this cap to cover it up so your paint doesn't go everywhere. I know that's helped me from spilling a couple times. It is very easy to take apart and clean, so you just unscrew this back here, unscrew this part here, and slip the needle out, and then your front nozzle up here unscrews too, and along with this small piece. And then once you get this unscrewed, you have your needle tip up there too that the air flows through. You can put bigger, there are two different sizes of needles you can use in this, so that's another handy feature with this too. But just a nice handy airbrush to have on hand that I like to use to paint my model airplanes and other small things.